Ki perlok menta kasngi hapo ka jinglong jingelam jongi chief minister jongi ngidon dia kani ke review meeting ngilai discuss pun ki badai bat ka jingkeu jong kani ka covid-19 hang ne hapo ka jela Meghalaya jongi ban ngai kwa ban pentip ba menta kasngi ka kes kapoi hadu sispa khandai pho arteli but ka active cases ko total kapoi 6,000 arphuai. The total active cases that we have till today is 1021 and 3 deaths. 3 deaths. Total active cases 1021 and the today positive cases is 192. I would like to inform you that today positive cases has increased to 192, which is very grim and it looks very dangerous too. So few decisions were taken today. Please listen carefully and please communicate this also to the citizens of the state. Number one, the decision we taken today is that RT-PCR test is made mandatory. Any returnees, any entrants coming inside to the state of Meghalaya, they need to go for RT-PCR test. There will be no more RAT in the entry point. No more RAT. And we will also not accept any certificate issued by different state government, because previously what we do was we considered those certificate issued by any respective state government entering Meghalaya. Once they show within 72 hours time the certificate, then we allow them to enter and we don't take any test further. But this time, as I've said to you, the government, state government has decided that RT-PCR test is a must to each and every entrance coming in to our state, except those persons who already obtained the certificate of completion of vaccination, both the doses. You get the point? Menta kasngi nilai sim ya karai haka review meeting. Hapo ke jenglam jongi chief minister badon burom jongi baki barung siapo ke jela Meghalaya jongi nangne syakmat kidon kam banlek ya ka RT-PCR test. Kinu ki barung siapo ke jela jongi ngin sim da ka RT-PCR test omdeisyu da ka RAT. Baru sekarang consider yakini kibriuk bawan napo North Eastern State ban bakinle da ka RAT ten rei mentang la sim karai ba ngin yat be da ka RT-PCR test. But habadin ming la sim napo ka entry point ya ka RT-PCR collection ngin pa yaki sala ki jong ki jaka ka bagi syong kisa in isolation hadu ban yo ya report laki long negatif ni kilong positif, then ya kajing betha kabak hambnia nakaliang jong ka health department kan sa issue ya kita ki concern ki bawan siapo ke jela ke jong ni.